Hi there. Welcome back to Febby's. Today we are going to have a look at determiners. What are determiners? Do they determine anything? Or do they deter something? Let's have a look at a simple definition. They are words which are used just before nouns. They introduce a noun and give us important information about them. Don't confuse determiners with adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun. Example, a tall tree, or a red car, or a cloudy evening, etc. Let us try and trigger your brain a bit here. That is a cute dog, isn't it? Here is a list of determiners that we can use with the word dog. A dog, the dog, that dog, those dogs, my dog, his dog, her dog, and so on. We can even say 5 dogs. Here the word 5 is the determiner. We can broadly classify determiners into 2. 1. General determiners. And 2. Specific determiners. What are general determiners? These determiners usually refer to nouns which a person may not know. They are also called as quantifiers, as some of them tell you how many nouns we are talking about. Here are some general determiners. Pause the video and write them down if you need to. Let's look at some examples by the time you do. 1. There is plenty of water for all of us. The determiners we have used here are plenty and all. 2. Can I have some bananas, please? Can you guess the determiner? Yes, it is some. 3. Dad is bringing a large quantity of cotton. The determiner is a large quantity of. There are many more that you can list down yourselves. What are specific determiners? As the name suggests, they specify something. There are 4 types. 1. The definite article. 2. Definite determiners. 3. Interrogative determiners. And 4. Possessive determiners. Let's have a look at each of them in brief. There is only one definite article, and that is the. Please note that there are 3 articles in English grammar. We have a separate video explaining them. At Febby's we say, all articles are determiners, but not all determiners are articles. Do not confuse the definite article with the definite determiners. Definite determiners are that, those, this, and these. They are very specific in pointing out something. Example, those shoes, or these bangles. The next one is interrogative determiners. They ask questions. They are what, which, whose. The last one is possessive determiners. They can sometimes be mistaken for a possessive pronoun. If you want to know more about pronouns, please check out our video on that. It is linked at the end of this video. Some of the possessive pronouns are his, her, my, your, etc. Now that you have gone through determiners, are you ready for some practice? Here are some questions for you to try. Figure out which words in the sentences given here are determiners. Pause the video and give it a go. Press play once you are done. Here are the answers. Check if you got them right. As with anything, you would need to practice to be perfect. That was the end of the video today. We will be back soon with a new topic. Please share and subscribe if you like our videos, and do not forget to comment on how we can improve. Until next time, Namaste.